Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering the too many requests login error in Windows, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error usually happens when too many login attempts are made in a short period. Here's how to fix it. 1. Wait for a while. The simplest fix is to wait. Most services limit the number of login attempts within a certain time frame. Waiting for 15 to 30 minutes can often resolve the issue automatically. 2. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable connection can sometimes trigger multiple requests, causing this error. Ensure your internet connection is stable and, if possible, use a wired connection. 3. Clear browser cache or app data. If you're logging in through a web browser, clearing the cache can help resolve this error. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, and Security, clear browsing data. In Edge, go to Settings, Privacy, Search, and Services, clear browsing data. For apps, clear the app's cache through the app settings on your Windows device. 4. Use a different device or browser. If the error persists on your current device, try logging in from another browser or device to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it. Sometimes, these services cause login requests to appear as if they are coming from different locations, triggering the too many requests error. 6. Check for account lock or restrictions. If you've been trying to log in repeatedly in a short period, your account might be temporarily locked. Check your email for any notifications from the service regarding account issues or security measures. 7. Contact support. If none of the above works, contact customer support for the service you're trying to log into. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps or resolve account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the too many requests login error and get back into your account. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips.